Hello friends, welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe can be called as Kadhi Chawal in Hindi, but not the regular Kadhi Chawal. Today's Kadhi Chawal are special and they can be eaten during fast or vrat. The chawal is made not from the regular rice grains but with barnyard millet or vrat ke chawal that are also called samak ke chawal. And the kadhi that is always served with it is made with roasted peanut powder. This is a very easy, delicious and quick recipe. So let us get started and take a look at the ingredients. Samak ke chawal or barnyard millet half a cup, coarsely roasted peanut powder 1/4 of a cup, oil 2 teaspoons, cumin seeds half a teaspoon, salt by taste, red chili powder by taste and dried kokum or garcinia 3 to 4 pieces. So first we are going to transfer these chawal to a pot, wash them a couple of times and drain away all the water. After these chawal have been washed, add 1 cup of water to it, but if you want little softer chawal, then you can add about 1.5 cups of water. So now we are going to cook these chawal, allow the water to boil first. When the water starts boiling, continue to boil till the water level reaches the level of the grains and then reduce the heat to low, cover it and continue to cook till all the water is absorbed. These samak ke chawal, they get cooked really fast, so you have to keep checking after every 1 or 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, there is still little moisture left in the rice, so I am going to cover and allow it to cook for 2 more minutes. And in just another 2 minutes, these are now completely cooked. All the water has been used up, so I am going to turn off the gas. Now let us prepare the peanut kadhi. First transfer the peanut powder to a grinder jar. Add about 1/4 cup of water to it and then grind it into a fine paste. And now keep this aside for some time. Now heat oil in a pot and add cumin seeds. After this splutter, add about 1.5 cups of water to it. Now add the dried kokum pieces, salt and also red chili powder. Now add all the peanut paste that we prepared in the grinder and then allow it to boil. Also remember to stir couple of times in between, and when it starts boiling, turn off the gas. So our samak ke chawal as well as this delicious peanut kadhi is now ready. Traditionally it is served with jeera aloo and also sweet lemon pickle, which is suitable for eating during vrat. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the recipe and do try making it at home, and please remember to post any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.